Start with the name of Allah, who is the most beneficent and merciful. O Level 5, Subject SST, Chapter Balochistan, Lecture 2. So students, we are going to start our lecture from climate. As you know that we have discussed about climate, that unlike other parts of Pakistan के दूसरे parts की तरह नहीं होता, जैसा कि Balochistan does not have a monsoon season. Monsoon season where there is so much heavy rainfall. As you remember, last 4 and 5 months before, there was heavy rain and every road of Karachi was full of water and all the sanitation was disturbed and lot of accidents occurred, so much traffic jam, and the people were very late to go their homes. The electric was gone, people were suffering all type of problems, all the basic fundamental things were disturbed in the monsoon season. 6 months the monsoon season come from the north, and the 6th month it come from the southwest of Iran. The winds come from the monsoon from the south. It touches and starts from Bangladesh and move over to India and then entered into the Punjab side, but the pressure is low. So but there is no monsoon in Balochistan. In winter the temperature can fall as low as minus 20 degrees centigrade. In the northern and mountainous region, it is usually milder on the plains and the coast. In summer it is hot and dry, especially in the Chagai and Haran areas in the west. Summer temperatures are between 18 and 15 degrees centigrade in most regions. The Haran Desert. The Haran Desert, also known as the Sandy Desert, lies to the northwest Balochistan and continues into Iran. See the map on page 15. The desert is made up of shifting sand dunes that can reach a height of 30 meters. Sometimes there are fierce sandstorms. Here is the detail in this paragraph about the Haran Desert. The half of the Haran Desert in Balochistan and the rest of the desert is in Iran. And it is telling us about the sandstorm as well, which is 30 meters. Rainfall is very low in this region. Long droughts make it hard for life of people to grow food and raise animals. Because there is low rainfall, that's why drought means hota hai when the land is dry. So खुश्क साली जिसको हम उर्दू में कहते हैं, खुश्क साली. So drought, ज़मीन बिल्कुल बंजर हो जाती है, जिसकी वजह से बहुत मुश्किल हो जाता है पीपल को ग्रो करना फूड एंड जानवरों की परवरिश करना. When rain does fall, it is sometimes very heavy and can cause flooding. बारिश होती है तो इतनी तेज it becomes as much heavy that it start flooding. Flooding means सैलाब आ जाना. Life is hard in the desert and not easy. People live there. It's not easy to live there, for people to live there. Okay. Wheat is the main food crop, but fruit is also growing Many farmers breed camels and rug, making it common. I think it is easy to understand about crops. Crop means फसल, ठीक है, जो गंदम की जो फसलें होती हैं, लेकिन जो फ्रूट होते हैं इज़ आल्सो ग्रोइंग, फ्रूट भी ग्रो होते हैं। और ज़्यादातर जो एनिमल्स होते हैं, जो फार्मर्स होते हैं, वो कैमल्स की ब्रीडिंग करते हैं। ब्रीडिंग माने बच्चे पैदा करना। The people. Although Balochistan is Pakistan's largest province, few people live there. The local people are called Balochs. People speak Balochi, Baroi, Pashto, Sindhi and Urdu. Most of the people live in capital city, Quetta, and the port city of Gwadar. Others live in tribal groups in the mountains where they raise animals and sell their product at the bazaars in nearby towns. People living along the coast can make a living as fishermen. Those living on the plains where the soil is better for growing crops grow fruits such as grapes, apples, cherries, peaches, pomegranate, dates and apricots. Almonds are also grown. जो लोग गवादा के करीब रहते हैं तो वो ज़ाहिर है फिशरमैन का काम अंजाम देते हैं। जो लोग पहाड़ों में रहते हैं वो अपने जानवरों को पालते हैं, उनको मार्केट में जाके बेचते हैं चीज़ों को, और उनसे पैसे जो ख़रीदते हैं अपनी गुजर बसर करते हैं। और जो प्लेन एरियाज़ में रहते हैं उनकी सॉइल क्योंकि बेटर होती है तो वो फसलों को उगाते हैं, फ्रूट्स को उगाते हैं। फ्रूट्स में कौन कौन से हैं? ये सारे फ्रूट्स हैं, एप्रिकॉट्स हैं, आलमंड बादाम हैं, और ये तमाम फ्रूट्स ग्रो करते हैं। ओके, here are the question answers. You can read this question answer in your book and find out the proper answer and write down in your notebook. There are this is a fact, this is drought, right? So you can also read it at your home because the fonts are not clear here. Mining in Balochistan. बलूचिस्तान के अंदर जो माइनिंग होती है, माइनिंग माना होता है कान जो होते हैं ना, गार, पहाड़ों के अंदर सुराख करना, वो। मिनरल्स आर मटेरियल्स डग आउट ऑफ द ग्राउंड बाय माइनिंग। यहाँ से मिनरल्स निकलते हैं, मादनियात जिसकी खुदाई होती है। देयर आर टू टाइप्स ऑफ मिनरल, दो किस्म के मिनरल्स निकलते हैं। एक तो निकलते हैं मेटेलिक, फॉर एग्जाम्पल आयरन, कॉपर, गोल्ड, सिल्वर। दूसरा है नॉन मेटेलिक, फॉर एग्जाम्पल कोल, ऑयल, मार्बल, जेमस्टोन एंड सल्फर। ये नॉन मेटेलिक है, ये यहाँ से मिलते हैं, निकलते हैं। बलूचिस्तान हैज़ लार्ज डिपॉजिट्स ऑफ कॉपर। बलूचिस्तान के अंदर कॉपर बहुत है। द कॉपर वॉज फाउंड एट सेंदक in the 1970s and more was discovered in 1994 at nearby Reko Dig. The copper are और क्या होता है, और लोहा बनाने के लिए जो एलिमेंट होता है उसको बनाने के काम में आता है। और इज डग आउट ऑफ द ग्राउंड यूजिंग द ओपन पिट मेथड। ओपन पिट, ये पिट है, ये खोद खोद के इस तरीके से पिट बनाते हैं। Diggers dig out the ore and then load it into huge truck that take it away to extract the copper. Gold is found alongside the copper at the mine, and they are very expensive. Minerals are very expensive. Metallic or non-metallic, both are very expensive. So luckily Balochistan ground is full of copper, and copper is very expensive in the world, right? So students, page number 19 is over. Then we go to next page. Balochistan also has large deposits of chromite at Muslim Bah. It is mainly mined using the open pit method, but underground mine is also carried out. It is taken in trucks to Karachi, where it is crushed and then bagged for export to other countries. Most of the copper and chromite are exported to China. Here are the details. You can also read in the book and try to find out name the place in Balochistan where dash is mined. What is this? Mountain is mined. Here is the detail. You can also read the map in your book. It is not so much clear right now here, but I hope you will find out by these signs. These are the keys to find out the places where it is found. What is mined at Kohe Sultan and Sani? Where is marble mined at Balochistan in Balochistan? Name two places in Balochistan where gem is mined. Where is antimony mined? Antimony means सुरमा. सुरमा की खुदाई कहाँ होती है? Right? Don't do this question B. Right? Leave it out. And here are the detail of these mines. You can read and try to understand. I think you will find the answer, mostly find the answer from here. But here are the elements, metallic and non-metallic, like copper, fluoride, gypsum, iron, limestone, magnesite, right? So here is the detail of these marble and sulfur. Sulfur is used to make explosive पेंट एंड डाई. सल्फर इस्तेमाल होता है किसी चीज़ को एक्सप्लोज करने के लिए, डाई के लिए. व्हाट इज आयरन? You also do these question and answer in your notebook, but I will help you. What is iron ore used for? So iron is used to make steel. Steel is used to make bridges, cars, ships, building machinery. Very easy, huh? Which of the minerals on this page can be used to make paint? Sulfur. Here is discussed paint. Right? So you can also do this by giving the heading of the page number, right, and try to find out the answers of these questions from your book. List 5 things copper can be made use for. So if you go in copper portion, you may go there, copper, and here copper is used in electrical wire, machine, jewelry and cooking pans. It is also used to make brass and bronze. ये भी मेटल के नाम है, ब्रास एंड ब्रोंज बनता है इससे, right? Now students, we are going to end up our lecture. I hope you must have understood. Try to do these work in your notebook, and we are going to start our lecture 3 from coal mining in Pakistan. Okay, so please be careful. Whatever the instruction is given to do the question answer, you can do it in your notebook and take the help of Google if you find any trouble, or ask me when we have online class. Allah Hafiz.